Is your Cowrywise app crashing? Or just not loading properly? Don't worry, I've got a quick fix for you. First, make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Sometimes updates can resolve issues like these. If that doesn't work, try clearing your cache and data. Go to Settings on your phone, find Apps or Applications. Then locate Cowrywise in the list. Tap it, then go into Storage, and clear the cache and data. Another thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi signal, or are connected to a strong mobile network. Weak connections can cause problems with any app. Finally, if all else fails, contact customer support. They should be able to help you get back up and running smoothly. Hopefully this helps solve your issue quickly. Let me know if you need more tips.